At Airspace Link, our core mission is to enable the safe integration of drones into the national airspace and into communities like yours. To help local and state governments scale complex drone operations, Airspace Link partners with communities and other companies interested in UAS to test BVLOS operations in the FAA Beyond program, introduce drone package deliveries in new drone-friendly housing developments, and speed up COVID-19 testing with test kit deliveries via drone between hospitals and testing centers.
We're out ahead in this space and working with local and state governments, anticipating that they are going to be needing tools to plan for this, tools to help bridge the private interest in coming into these cities and counties and states to set up these operations so they can jointly, with the private industry now, plan the safest routes and then publish those routes for these new advanced drone operations.
In a more recent partnership, Airspace Link went to Ohio to join a cohort of innovation and industry leaders to introduce a first-of-its-kind and first-in-the-nation demonstration of testing a proof-of-concept operation for critical medical delivery. In this demonstration, the team used Ohio's Smart 33 corridor that stretches 35 miles to transport 3D printed organs and to test advanced transportation options with autonomous vehicles. Organ movement is a very challenging use case, so the team worked together to link cohesive technologies together to demonstrate autonomous and semi-autonomous air and ground capabilities. This multimodal approach to moving time-sensitive cargo is important for both the speed and the scalability of autonomous vehicles across longer distances. This demonstration is all about showcasing how Airspace Link can work with the local communities and current infrastructure to implement innovative solutions and resources for important life-saving medical deliveries, like the transport of viable organ donations. Recent studies about community adoption of small drones have already demonstrated real societal and economic benefits in the form of time saved for consumers and businesses, increased sales for participating businesses, helping tens of thousands of mobility-challenged individuals attain critical prescriptions, and reduce CO2 emissions and traffic congestion by removing cars and trucks off the road. To better understand how Airspace Link is enabling safe integration of drones into communities across the country, and to set up an evaluation in your community today, visit airspacelink.com or email us at hello@airspacelink.com. We look forward to integrating drones into your community.